Today I'm here to show you some stylish wear ideas for gents. Today I choose mufflers, or you can say scarves, or neck wrap. That's look fantastic with specific suits on gents. Especially in winters. We can say it is a cold weather accessory, right? It is a classic menswear piece. You know what, for thousands of years, militaries have used them to differentiate soldiers. Scarf drape is best for when the weather is cool. They are available in various shades. The really good pieces of mufflers. Are available in various online stores at attractive rates of discounts.